Okay, let's get down to business. In this video, I will show you step by step how to sell stuff you have around your home on eBay. While doing this video, I actually listed one of my items which sold the following day. Stick around to find out how much I made. We all have things laying around that we probably don't use anymore, so why just let it collect dust when you can make some extra money by selling them on eBay? For this example, we will sell these brand new Nintendo Switch controllers. Yes, they are brand new. It's a long story as to why I didn't even open them. Just don't ask. Okay, so I'm assuming you already have an eBay account, so let's just sign in real quick. Good. Now what you need to do is click sell and then click list an item. So this will basically be the title of your listing. It's important to use as many details as you can. A little trick you can do is open eBay in a new tab and search for the product you want to sell. Then pick a listing that already has all the details you need in the title. Copy that, paste it here, and make some adjustments if you need to. Now click on go, and here on this page, make sure it's in the correct category. Okay, now we click on create new listing. For condition, we will put new. Good. Now here is where you put all your other details in. As you can see, we are just one character shy of the total of 80 characters allowed for your title, which is great. Okay, so here is where you put your item specifics. I recommend you fill out as many fields as possible. Make sure you also click on more recommended and you'll get a few more fields to fill up. So let me show you one reason why it's important to put as many details here as possible. For example, we put purple for color. Now, if a buyer goes on eBay and searches for Nintendo Switch Joy-Con or just Nintendo Switch controller, and they go here on the side to apply a filter, and they choose purple, but you actually didn't add that information in your listing, they won't be able to see your listing based on this filter. And you'll probably be in the not specified category. Makes sense, right? So add as many details as possible. Now for the fun part, the pictures. eBay allows you up to 12 pictures, which is more than enough. I recommend that you use all those or as many as you can. Go to a place in your house where you have good lighting. You can use a piece of white paper for your background so it looks better. Grab your camera. You can use your phone and take pictures from every angle, every side, showing any imperfections that your item might have or any damages. If you want to go the extra mile, here is a simple way to make your pictures look even better. Open the picture on your desktop, click up here where it says Edit and Create. Now you can crop your picture. By the way, cropping your picture, this part you can also do in eBay, and I'll show you how in a bit. What we are here for is the adjustments. So just play around with these until it looks good. Much better, right? I mean, look, this is before and this is after. Okay, pictures are uploaded. Sometimes you might want to change the main photo. This is the photo that will appear on the eBay search page. To do this, just click on the photo you want to be the main one and drag it up here where it says main photo. Okay, so here's how you can crop your photos in eBay. First, click on the photo you want to crop and then click on this little icon down here. Now you can either pull on the corners or just click on the square and then frame your product. Next is description, and while eBay says it's optional, I encourage you to add something here as well, especially if you have a one-of-a-kind product or it has some kind of imperfections. What I like to do is this. I write a bit of a description and then also let buyers know they can contact me with any questions they have. Then I mention that I accept payment through PayPal. And for shipping, I let them know that I shipped items within 24 hours of cleared payment. Also, if you have more items for sale, just let them know to, check your other items. If you found this video helpful so far, please take a second to click on the like button. It helps getting my video recommended to others, and it makes me happy to know I was able to provide useful information. Now, pricing. You have two options here, auction and buy it now. I'm not going into too much detail about this, but we will choose buy it now. eBay already fills up the price based on data they collected from other products. Here's another tip for you. Search your product on eBay and then scroll down till you see this filter on the side that says show only, and then select sold items. This will show you all the sold items within that search, and it usually sorts it out by the ones that sold out recently. Now you can scroll down through a few and get an idea of the average price these are selling for. I'll put this one up for $69.99 because I want to sell it quick. By the way, this easy pricing is a really nice feature that eBay has. It says here, starting 10 days after listing, we'll lower your price 5% every 5 days until your item sells or gets to $41.99, notifying the buyers who showed interest each time. Now, if you're comfortable with potentially having your item sell for as low as whatever it says here, in our case it's $41.99, then I recommend you click this, and eBay does all this work of putting your item for sale, reducing the price, notifying the buyers. You're not gonna have to worry about that. Okay, we will allow offers, and one consider any offers under $41.99. This is another nice feature because all the offers you will get under this amount will be declined automatically. Next up is shipping. You first need to weigh and package dimensions. So grab a scale, weigh the packaging and the item together. I usually approximate this, so we will go with 7 ounces. And for dimensions, we'll go with 9 by 7 by 2 inches. Now we can select the shipping service. First class is the cheapest option, as long as you don't go over 13 ounces. So we'll select that. Then you can choose whether you pay for shipping, which means the buyer gets free shipping, or you can have the buyer pay, and this is calculated for them based on their location. Or you can just charge the buyer flat shipping cost that you choose. We'll go with free shipping, so the listing is more attractive. Make sure your listing preferences are all up to date. Your PayPal email address, the handling time, location, and whether you accept returns or not. And finally, we're gonna list this. Now your item is listed on eBay for all buyers to see, but if you want to do what this window says, boost your item to help sell faster, which will basically increase the visibility of your listing by putting it on the first search page, you can do that, of course, for a fee, but it will definitely help. I will choose this option just so we sell it faster and I can show you what's next. Okay, there is still more to the video, but before we move forward, I just want to take a second and remind you to give this video a like if you enjoyed it so far, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when I post a new video. Last but not least, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you found this information useful. If you noticed you made a mistake in your listing and want to correct it, just click on Revise Your Item. I tried to stick to the basics, otherwise this video would have been a lot longer than it is. But if you want me to go more in depth on certain aspects, let me know in the comments and I'll probably make another video. So I woke up the next morning and checked this out. The item we listed has 31 views, 2 watchers, and 3 offers. By the way, watchers are buyers who add the item to their watch list. Okay, let's have a look at what offers did we get. So buyer 1 offered us $50, buyer 2 $55, and buyer number 3 offered us $65. Now you can accept the offer, make a counter offer, or decline the offer. I'll decline this one so you can see how it looks. And since I'm going to accept this offer, I don't need to decline the other one, it will automatically be declined. And it's sold! Now we just have to wait for the buyer to pay us, and about 2 hours later the buyer paid and now we are ready to ship. Now click Print Shipping Label, make sure all the package information and service is correct, and then click on Purchase Shipping Label. A new window with the label should open where you can print the label. You'll need to cut this part, tape it to the package, and then drop it at the post office. That's it! Thank you for watching the video and stick until the end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help however I can.